Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to address a topic that generates a lot of curiosity, Viagra gel. Perhaps you are already familiar with the famous Viagra tablet, that blue pill that is widely used to treat erectile dysfunction. But did you know that there is a gel version? That's right. And the big question is, does Viagra gel really work? Will it be a reliable alternative or just another new product on the market? Our goal here is to clarify all your doubts in a simple and direct way. Let's explore how Viagra gel works in the body, what the possible side effects are, and make a comparison with the tablet version that everyone already knows. Furthermore, we will discuss whether it is an effective option for those looking for a quick and discreet solution to erectile dysfunction. But let's not stop there. We will also talk about other alternatives, such as natural Viagra and different treatments for impotence. With so many options available, it is essential to know which one may be best for you. At the end of this video, you will be much more informed about what is fact and what is exaggeration when it comes to Viagra gel. So stay with us, watch until the end, and we will demystify all this in an easy and accessible way. Let's start by understanding what exactly Viagra gel is and why it is attracting so much attention. Unlike traditional Viagra, which comes in pill format and needs to be ingested, Viagra gel is a topical version. This means it is applied directly to the skin, usually in the genital area. The promise is that, as it is a gel, it can be absorbed more quickly by the body, leading to more immediate action in combating erectile dysfunction. It's easy to see why this sounds so appealing, right? Many people who face erection difficulties prefer quick and discreet solutions, and the gel seems to meet these expectations. But that's where the doubts begin. Does this product really do what it promises? Does it work in the same way as Viagra tablets? Furthermore, the fact that it is applied to the skin raises questions about possible irritation or adverse reactions that may occur, especially in such a sensitive area of the body. These are important questions that we cannot leave aside. Another point we must consider is how the body absorbs the medicine. In the case of the pill, it passes through the digestive system before being absorbed by the body, which may take longer to take effect. However, with the gel, the expectation is that the medicine will be absorbed by the skin more quickly, and therefore begin to act sooner. This can be a big advantage, especially for those who want immediate results and don't want to wait a long time after applying the gel to feel its effects. However, it is important to remember that the speed of absorption and effectiveness may vary from person to person. Furthermore, as it is a relatively new medicine, there are still many questions about its real effectiveness. Therefore, it is always essential to consult a specialist in urology or andrology before deciding to use the product. A doctor can assess your health status and tell you whether Viagra gel is the best option for you, or whether it is better to continue with more traditional treatments. Now, talking about the use of Viagra gel, it is important to emphasize that it should not be seen as a magical solution for all cases of erectile dysfunction. Although many people report good results, others may not have the same success with the gel. Furthermore, like traditional Viagra, the gel does not treat the underlying causes of erectile dysfunction. It simply helps temporarily improve erectile function. This means that if the problem is caused by health issues such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or hormonal imbalances, Viagra gel may not be the permanent solution. In this case, it is crucial to investigate the root cause of the problem with a doctor. It is also essential to consider the side effects of the gel. Despite being applied externally, there is still the possibility of adverse reactions, such as redness, itching, or even discomfort during application. Therefore, before testing any new product, seek medical advice to ensure its safety and effectiveness. When we talk about Viagra gel and compare it with traditional Viagra, it is worth remembering that both have the same purpose of treating erectile dysfunction. However, the way they act on the body is different. The Viagra tablet is ingested and takes some time to be absorbed by the body. Once in the system, it helps increase blood flow to the penis, which makes it easier to get and keep an erection. Viagra gel, on the other hand, is applied directly to the skin, and the promise is that it is absorbed more quickly, providing a faster effect. This may seem like a big advantage to many men, especially those who prefer a discreet, fast-acting solution. However, the issue of effectiveness is an important point. As the gel is still relatively new on the market, there is not much scientific evidence regarding the tablet. This means that results may vary, and some men may find that the gel does not work as well as they expected. Furthermore, one of the things that men tend to worry about when considering Viagra gel is its potential for side effects. Even if the medicine is applied externally, there is still a possibility that adverse reactions may occur. For example, some men report a slight burning or itching sensation after applying the gel. Others may notice redness in the skin. These effects can be uncomfortable and may vary depending on individual sensitivity. This is why it is always recommended to test a small amount of the product before using it completely. Another concern is that, as it is applied externally, the gel may come into contact with other parts of the body or even with the partner during intimacy, which can cause unexpected reactions. Although these cases are rare, they can happen, and it is always a good idea to be aware of these possibilities before using the product. That way, you can make more informed decisions about what's best for your sexual health. Another important consideration when talking about Viagra gel is the issue of trust in the product. Many people feel more comfortable with traditional Viagra, as it has been on the market for many years, and its effectiveness is widely proven by studies and the experience of millions of men around the world. The gel, on the other hand, is new, and like any new product, it takes time to gain users' trust. Additionally, there are many versions of Viagra gel on the market, and not all are regulated in the same way. Some can be sold without a prescription, which raises questions about their safety and effectiveness. Therefore, it is essential that, before opting for Viagra gel, you research the manufacturer well and look for products that have passed rigorous quality tests. Another good practice is to talk to your doctor about the options available and ask for their professional opinion on what would be best suited to your case. After all, your health deserves special care and attention. As we reach the end of our conversation, it is essential to remember that sexual health is a crucial aspect of men's health. If you are experiencing erectile dysfunction issues, you don't have to deal with it alone. We are here to help. Keep watching our content on men's health. There are several treatment options available, and the most important thing is to find the one that best suits your body and your needs. Whether with Viagra gel, traditional Viagra, or other forms of treatment, what really matters is that you talk to your doctor before making any decision. He will be able to advise you on the side effects, the effectiveness of the treatment, and whether Viagra gel is suitable for your specific case. And don't forget, self-medication is never the best solution. Always look for a specialist in urology or andrology to discuss the best path forward. Your health deserves attention and care, and there is nothing better than receiving professional guidance to ensure that you are doing the best for your body. Ultimately, Viagra gel can be an effective solution for some people, but this will depend on several factors, such as your health status and your doctor's instructions. Therefore, avoid making hasty decisions. Always be well-informed and make conscious choices to take care of your health. Consulting a healthcare professional is essential to ensure you are opting for the best solution for your needs. Leave your like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive valuable content about men's health and urology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.